We're gonna make a coffee with chatti and coffee powder and cow milk. And this one. Okay. First, hey.
The ingredients ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്.
മലയാളം അല്ല ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അതിന് അല്ല
English or
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്
Okay, so we got some
അമേരിക്കൻ
basic
ചോർക്ക്
ingredients.
അറിയില്ല ഓക്കെ
So another thing, we got milk, coffee powder, natural and from Wayanad,
നാച്ചുറൽ കോഫി പൗഡർ ഹാ
and sugar. This time we'll try to avoid sugar. Okay, it's not good for health.
Now you burn fire.
No, I ignite fire.
അല്ല burn fire burn ആണ് ഉച്ചി.
So we'll set it in low flame.
We waste our milk.
Pour some milk.
പോരല്ല we waste some milk. See. കുറേ മതി yeah, successfully wasted cow's milk.
All milk. We'll try to add up some water.
തിരിയുന്നുണ്ടാ ഫയർ കാട്ടിച്ചോട്ടെ ക്യാമറ ഐസ് ഡി എസ് എൽ ആർ സ്പൂൺ കാട്ടിക്കാല്ലേ നിന്റെ ഫേസ് കാണണ്ടായില്ലേ ആ ഉഫ് ബോൾ കൺട്രോൾ അല്ല മിൽക്ക് കൺട്രോൾ
Compressing milk.
Heating milk. Compressing. Heating. Now we add some natural chemical coffee. എത്ര ടീസ്പൂണ്
It depends on the. Since we didn't use much milk, it's more half teaspoon. Waiting for that.
Waiting for the milk to cook.
Let him.
Let him cook.
Waiting for the temptation.
Let him cook.
So getting started. Only if there were some more milk, it would have been better.
Milk is wasting. Adding some coffee powder.
Ready for adding coffee powder.
Natural
it's
chemical
all about
coffee.
the timing, okay? Focus on here, please. Top view. Top view, man. Camera not there. Here.
അതെന്തിനാ ആക്കുന്നുണ്ടേ This guy very important.
Camera has been
Camera is everything proper.
pain in my head.
മതി താത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാ നല്ല ഹീറ്റ് ഇതാവും.
It still doesn't have the temptation on milk.
The milk
Even
is
though the milk is already heated.
The milk is drunk and the climate is also drunk. So we are adding some coffee powder. Add.
Since
Milk
we are adding
control.
it anyway. But the main part is when the temptation is there, we should add it.
Goes
Since
higher.
half of my milk has been evaporated.
That's what I said. Wasted. Let it cook.
Mix.
Let it cook.
Let it dissolve here. It's like we are doing a chemistry lab thing here.
HD view.
It's a low amount of coffee, okay?
It's only for him. He is very very conjuice.
Since he already had his breakfast at 7 o'clock.
He is
Now
very.
it's on. Still I didn't have
One
my
more coffee
breakfast.
powder. One more alla. 1 teaspoon. And one more teaspoon.
Yeah.
Barkam is old man. He can't do anything properly.
This is enough.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ആക്കിയാ
No. Let's we dissolve it. And
പഞ്ചസാര
no. This time I'm not using sugar.
This time he's not using sugar. He's drunk. മതി 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 മിച്ചി. മതിരാ.
Okay. Since
രണ്ട് ആ
start again.
നല്ല ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് പോസ്.
So we are filtering coffee so that we can remove remaining coffee powders.
HD വ്യൂ എടുക്കാം. HD വ്യൂ. കോഫി നോക്കിട്ട്. This is
And
very
there
bad.
you can-
This is very bad at it.
It's a
Look at it.
natural
Looks
coffee.
like a milk. Yuck.
It's a
Guys,
natural low caffeine coffee.
please put the
Which is
dislike button
still
on.
better than-
Unsubscribe the video.
Me feeling, bro. It's still better than machine coffee, guys. I swear. It's a low caffeine coffee without no sugar.